Top 200 Secrets of Success. Secret number 91. Make it one of your goals to develop a dynamic, charismatic personality. Such a quality is something each one of us has the potential to develop, but few do. President Kennedy was a sickly youth but rose above his physical problems to be the most charismatic and exciting political figure in the history of the United States. Start off small. Take a Dale Carnegie course on public speaking. Go to the library where you will find books on the fine art of conversation and personal grooming. Learn three clean and witty jokes and get it in the habit of socializing. You will have fun and build a lasting network of friends and associates. Secret number 92. On the subject of conversation, a Chinese proverb states as follows: a single conversation across the table with a wise man is worth a month's study of books. Seek out the wise and learn from them. They are just waiting for that small spark of interest to tell you all that you need to know. Secret number 93. Lao Tzu prized three essential qualities for a person of greatness. The first is gentleness, the second is frugality, the third is humility, which keeps me from putting myself before others. Be gentle and you can be bold. Be frugal and you can be liberal. Avoid putting yourself before others and you can become a leader among men. Secret number 94. When you cannot make up your mind which of two evenly balanced courses of action you should choose the bolder, said W.J. Slim. There is no substitute for courage, and though the chance of stubbing your toe increases the more you walk, it is always better than going nowhere by standing still. Take chances, take smart risks, and you will meet with success beyond your dreams. Secret number 95. Become your spouse number one supporter, the one who is always there supporting and fueling hopes and dreams. Develop together and march confidently through the world as an army of two. Secret number 96. Think of three people who can provide you with inspiration, motivation, and support for your goals and aspirations. Plan to meet with each one of them over the next few weeks. Listen enthusiastically to them and brainstorm with them. Map out a strategy and take their wise counsel. Secret number 97. Make every one of your days a true masterpiece. Remember the old saying, it's not who you think you are that holds you back, but what you think you are not. Secret number 98. Just as valuable energy is wasted by spending time on activities that are of no value. Energy can be wasted on loose thinking. Imagine that your mind has an energy measure of 1000 watts at its disposal. Each time your mind wanders off the project at hand to a nagging worry, to all the things to do by the end of the day, 100 watts is lost. Quite soon, the entire energy supply is gone. This is the nature of the mind. Fail to discipline it and your energy levels will be depleted and your accomplishments will be minimal. Control it, and you will see great things happening. You will feel more powerful and achieve difficult tasks with ease. The 19th century philosopher Henry Frederick Emile summed it up nicely. For purpose of action, nothing is more useful than narrowness of thought combined with energy of will. Secret number 99. It has been rightly said that you sow an action, you reap a habit. You sow a habit, you reap a character. You sow a character, you reap a destiny. The essence of a person is his character. Make yours unique, unblemished, and strong. Don't say you will do anything unless you will indeed to do it. Speak the truth and measure your words wisely. Be humble, straightforward, and peaceful. Secret number 100. Remember the overriding law of nature. Positive overcomes the negative. Secret number 101. A contented mind is continual feast. Greed and material desires must be curbed to achieve lasting happiness and serenity. Be happy with what you have. Do you really need all of those material possessions? One can develop contentment just as one develops patience, courage, and concentration with daily practice and sincere desire. Secret number 102. Make a new friend or acquaintance every day. Keep an updated list of all contacts close at hand. Rich relationships are the DNA of a rich, rewarding life. Secret number 103. Remember this ancient Indian proverb: if you conquer your mind, you conquer the world. Secret number 104. Place greater importance on staying happy than amazing material possessions. A zest for life is developed and carefully nurtured through thoughtful activities and pursuits.